Hi, everybody. This is Mrs. Kimborowski showing you how to clean up your inbox and delete all those emails that are been sitting there for quite some time. Let's get started. So, on the left-hand side, you see your inbox and it says 724. That's unread messages. 724. Then, if I look to the right, it's 899. Those are 899 in your inbox. So remember, if they haven't been read, they're dark in bold, black. And if they have been read, they're lighter in color. They're not as bold. So instead of clicking on each one and seeing what it is and then hitting delete, there's an easier way to do it when you have this many. But I'm going to first make sure that I don't lose this one. Okay. So I know that a lot of my assignments were called new assignments coming from Google Classroom. In this search bar, I could just type in new assignments and hit return. This gives me new assignments. Up here on the right, it tells me on this page I have 1 out of 50, but that there are 52 of them. I can easily click on all of them all at once. Using this box at the top, I click and I've now just check marked all 50 of the conversations. But remember I said there were 52? So right here it says select all conversations that match this search. More than likely, they're probably all new assignments from Google Classroom that I can delete. So I'm going to click it all. And then I'm going to click this delete button. And it says it's a bulk action. Do you want to really delete them? Yes. Okay. Now, I can also do this with new announcements. Notice there's 85 of them. So I can again select them all. Select all the conversations that match this search and hit the trash can. Notice there'll be 684 here. Once I click OK, it just went down to 541. Phew, we're getting there. If I click on the inbox again, now we have to make some determinations. Maybe it's from old teachers that you don't have anymore. For example, maybe everything from Mrs. Fenton. So I'm just going to look up Mrs. Fenton. And these are all emails. But this is a certificate of recognition. I don't want to lose that. So maybe I check mark all of them, but uncheck just that one. Now make sure you kind of glance through this to make sure there's nothing else that I want to save. So I keep looking. It looks okay at this point. Now I can hit delete. I can continue on clicking delete, looking up using the search, and deleting a lot of emails all at once. Once I have my emails narrowed down to what I really want, I might want to put them in labels or folders. But that's for another video. See you next time.